I also want to thank my colleagues for voting yesterday on a bipartisan basis to advance the nomination of Lara Montecalvo to be a judge in the United States Court of Appeals for the First Circuit. I look forward to her confirmation later today. She will soon fill the seat that is being vacated by Judge O. Rogery Thompson, a trailblazing and outstanding jurist who I was proud to recommend and who is taking senior status. She will continue to hear cases on a more limited basis, along with Judge Bruce Sellier, another distinguished judge from Rhode Island, who has taken senior status and continues to hear cases on the First Circuit. These are two outstanding jurists, and like Judge Thompson and Judge Sellier, Lara Montecalvo is someone with great integrity, intellect, and capacity for judicial independence. I'm delighted that President Biden nominated her for Rhode Island's traditional seat on the First Circuit. I am pleased that the Judiciary Committee reported her nomination on a bipartisan vote, and I'm grateful to my colleagues on both sides of the aisle who voted yesterday to advance her nomination. Her resume speaks for itself. As Rhode Island's Chief Public Defender, Ms. Montecalvo has demonstrated an unwavering commitment to upholding our constitutional rights, including the Fifth Amendment's right to due process and the Sixth Amendment's right to counsel. Ms. Montecalvo was a gifted student who holds degrees from Swarthmore College and Boston College Law School, where she graduated magna cum laude in 2000. After graduating from law school, she immediately was drawn to public service. She started her legal career at the Department of Justice for 4 years, focusing on civil tax matters in federal courts. In 2004, she joined the Rhode Island Public Defender's Office and has risen to the ranks to lead that office. Ms. Montecalvo has more than 20 years of experience as a trial and appellate attorney. She has appeared in just about every court in Rhode Island, including the state's highest court. Her extensive courtroom experience will add valuable perspectives to the deliberations of the First Circuit. But it's more than a resume. Within the Rhode Island legal community, Ms. Montecalvo is known for her zealous advocacy for her clients and her keen sense of justice. She has won accolades from judges, prosecutors, and law enforcement officials, and from individuals from across the political spectrum. Many have endorsed her nomination, including 5 Rhode Island Attorney Generals and 2 former U.S. attorneys, one appointed by President Obama and one by President Trump. I know Ms. Montecalvo will serve on the First Circuit with honor and distinction, as she has at every step of her legal career. I urge my colleagues to confirm this highly qualified nominee to serve as a judge on the First Circuit. Thank you, Mr. President.